After any trial where a defendant has been found guilty, or after any time where a defendant pleads guilty or no contest, it is the judge's role to sentence that defendant. Many times the public may question us as to what the sentence was or why we sentenced the way we did. To the public, they react more on an emotional level. To the judge, though, we must look at the entire individual. Once a person is convicted, we normally give that person 16 weeks before sentencing that person, if it's a felony. And the reason for that is to allow the probation officers to now get involved and to investigate the background of the defendant and to prepare a pre-sentence report to the court. And this probation report that's prepared is very extensive as far as the defendant's background. It covers his age, it covers his employment history, it covers his drug use, his mental health history, it talks about his past crimes, if any. It talks about his family, including his father and his mother and his siblings. It talks about financial matters, so it's a complete workup on the defendant. And it's given to the court and to the parties for their consideration prior to sentence. So a judge is not only looking at the nature of the offense, be it an assault or a drug crime, we are looking at the person as an individual in light of what the law tells us to do. And the law requires that a judge look at various factors. For example, are there treatment programs out there that may address a person's problem in this case? Another example of that would be, would effective anger management prohibit the same circumstances of a fight from occurring again? And so many times we are called to look at whether or not treatment programs, counseling, and other terms and conditions are consistent. So, as a result of that, we take into account all the facts and all the background of the defendant in arriving at a fair and impartial sentence of the defendant.